Hi students, welcome back to the Phonetics Corner. We have covered many examples of words with the consonants, sounds and symbols and how to pronounce each symbol for so many words. No symbol would have the same sound in English. That is very particular with our English. Could be tricky, it could be fun. Take it as you like. So, by the way, please love English and make it as your fun activity. And then we got into the vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds. In that we have 12 monophthongs, 8 diphthongs. In those 12 monophthongs, we have 7 short vowels, 5 long vowels. 7 short vowels. Yes, we did cover those 7 short vowels. And we have many of those examples with those vowel sounds most likely at the beginning. And the last one in that short vowel sounds is our schwa sound. We did have many of the examples already with that schwa sound. By the way, what is schwa sound? It is one of the most commonly used vowel sound. Very relaxed, unstressed, unaccented syllable. Very unaccented, not much giving stress to. It could be with more than one schwa sound in many of those words. Does not mean only one. It could be more than one. It is upside down E. The schwa symbol, the phonetic symbol for schwa sound, it is upside down E. So, it could be like a very relaxed. Let's have some examples. Last few weeks we had the schwa sound at the beginning and at the end. Let's have some in the middle for today's class. Circus. Second last letter US, U gets that schwa sound. Circus. It's not circus or circus. It is circus. Compass. Compass. ASS. That A gets a schwa sound. Compass. What is compass? It's an instrument we use for our mathematics to measure point to one point to the other or to make circle, all those. You have been using the compass in your mathematics class especially, and sometimes for the science and other classes if it's needed. Most likely with the mathematics and science. Gallop. Second last letter OP. Gallop. The horse gallops. So it gets a not gallop, it is gallop. So it gets a schwa sound. Happen. Second last letter again. Does not have to be always second last letter. Okay? Whether when it comes in the middle. Heaven. Heaven. Nickel. Nickel is a 5 cents coin that Westerners, especially the Americans, dollar coin system has a nickel worth 5 cents. Nickel. Stomach. Stomach. ACH. CH gets a K sound. A gets a schwa sound. So it's not stomach or stomach. It is a stomach. A schwa sound. Thousand. A-N-D at the end, but it is a N. Thousand. Disagree. Disagree. Agree at the beginning if it is opposite of that, disagree. A gets a schwa sound. Disagree. Disappear. Again, appear, disappear. Opposite, na? Okay, disappear. Disagree. Hospital. Second last letter. AL. sounds with the schwa L. Schwa sound, upside down E. Hospital. Mountain. Sometimes you may have heard mountain. It's not the right pronunciation. A-I-N gets just A with that schwa sound. I-N gets just a N sound. It's not a I-N sound. It's N. Okay? So, mountain. Say that. Mountain. It's not mountain. Mountain. Say that. Mountain. So, give me one example.
Commentary.
Excellent. So, here we have a last few weeks with the schwa sound at the beginning and at the end. Today we had some in the middle. Give me a few that you remember. Circus, compass, disappear, disagree, gallop, heaven, happen, nickel, thousand, and mountain. Say that. Mountain. Mountain. Have fun again by yourself with all those schwa sounds that you will find out very comfortable to pronounce, almost like a native speaker. Who does not want to sound like a native speaker, even if we are from other countries? English is a very influential language, and try to sound like a native speaker, though it is our second language. And one main thing you need to know with this schwa sound, how to pronounce those. If you are comfortable with that schwa sound, almost most of you could sound like a native speaker. Okay? So have fun. Bye-bye.